One day I will make a video about the organic rise of the black feminist. Simbone kuphi lo black feminist? Black feminist, she was born out of necessity, not out of trends. Akazalwanga ama-trends or what was cool to speak about. Empeleni uzalwe izimo einzima ezibhekene nabantu besimame. Wathi something Soweto omama bomthandazo abalwa impi yesishebo nekhandlela. If I'm not mistaken, those are the lyrics to abomama bomthandazo. She was born out of necessity. She was born out of struggle. She was born out of intergenerational trauma. She was born out of survivalhood. Empeleni, young black girls owe her everything. We owe her independence. We owe her the option and the choice not to birth. We owe her the option and the choice not to burden ourselves with being submissive providers, because she was a submissive provider. Even if the father was not in the home or the male figure she had to submit to was not in the home, but she had to live a life of servitude and live a life of submission nonetheless, with or without, because she had to submit to societal standards. I am tshela ukuthi umama oqotho umama onjani while yena ethwele kanzima. She had to submit by keeping up ifacade yokuthi everything is fine even though baba kaThabo is not at home. She had to submit to ama standards athi umfazi akahambe emzini wakhe, futhi umfazi akahambe ekhuluma ngezinto ezimehlelayo noma ngezinto ezimbi nezibhlungu abhekane nazo. Empeleni umfazi yawafihla amahlazo omuzi wakhe. She had to submit and endure in silence. And when her silence was so unbearable, when her silence and endurance was so overwhelming from everything ayebhekene nayo, she had to talk to someone. She had to, because vele she didn't really have a choice when it came to her speaking to someone. Khona lapha emakhishini as anika undodakazi wakhe itray ukuthi hambisela ubaba wakho ukudla, ufika uguqe. Kune conversation esuke kade yenzakalile lapho, ngoba nondodakazi uyasho nje ukuthi ubaba nje akafikanga nalutho wemama, athi yena thula hambisela ubaba wakho ukudla. But at some point she had to break, akhuluma iqiniso lokuthi this is not an ideal existence. Ayimnandi lempilo engiyiphilayo, angufiseli yona. Empeleni funda ube nezinto zakho uzimele, ngoba le angufiseli yona. That's where she comes from. The black feminist wazalwa emakhishini, ezalwa womama ababeqinisele bebekezela. Those are the black women who wrote the dogma, the Bible on black feminism. It is not incwadi esayicoshe emgwaqweni or ideology. Ileyo nkulumo. When we grew curious ukuthi why izinto zenzeka kanje, black feminism is justice. Black feminism is righteousness. It is the equalizer. It is the balancing of scales. Free black women. Free black women. Yeah. Nibe nobusuku obuhle.